Okay, here on the driver's side, first you want to remove this knob. You can do that by using a plastic pry tool and just gently go around it and even rotate it a little bit. And then that'll pull straight off. And then to remove this, grab your plastic pry tool and pop that outward. There we go. Then you want to remove this trim here. Just grab your plastic pry tool and repeat that to the other side, and this whole panel will come off. Then grab your screwdriver and a T15 or a T20. Go ahead and remove this screw here. Now let's pull it starting here at the front. Just a little clip right here, another one right here. And there's some clips running here along the top, so you can run your plastic pry tool along this edge here. Then if you want to remove this piece, there's a screw on the back side, so go ahead and grab it and pull all the way up. And here on the back side of that piece, we have another Torx screw we can remove, as well as a clip to undo here. And for this piece, I just pulled it apart, and this circuit board will separate. As you can see, there's just some little clips here along the top. Doesn't matter since this is the old piece that we're going to be replacing. And here we can go ahead and push down on the clip, get that unplugged. And here on the panel itself, we just want to remove this plastic cover. So we see there's these covers. You'll have to lift up on them and push backwards. Do it to the two on the bottom as well, all at the same time. And now we see those are all out. So the best way to approach that is just gently bend them back. And this square hole right here, this rectangle hole, will clear the clip.